Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp in 2026, even if you're starting from zero. ClickUp can feel overwhelming at first, but yeah, once you understand the basics, it becomes really powerful. So let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you're using SSO, choose your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your ClickUp workspace dashboard. Now let's talk about structure. ClickUp is organized into spaces, folders, and lists. Spaces are for big areas like marketing or development. Inside spaces, you can create folders, and inside those, lists. Lists are where tasks actually live. To create a task, open any list and click Add Task. Give your task a name, set a due date, assign it to someone, and choose a status. You can also add descriptions, checklists, priorities, and attachments. This is where most of your daily work happens. Next, let's look at views. ClickUp lets you switch between list, board, calendar, table, and Gantt views. Each view shows the same tasks, just in different layouts. You can set a default view so your team always sees tasks the way you prefer. Automation is another big feature. Inside a list, click Automations to automatically change statuses, assign tasks, or send emails when something happens. This saves time and reduces manual work. Yeah, it's a huge productivity boost. ClickUp also includes docs where you can create notes, SOPs, or internal wikis. Docs can be linked directly to tasks, making collaboration much easier. You can even use ClickUp AI to write, summarize, or improve content faster. For tracking progress, dashboards are key. Dashboards let you create custom widgets to see task progress, workloads, deadlines, and reports all in one place. This is especially useful for managers and teams. Notifications and permissions are also important. Make sure you adjust notification settings so you're not flooded with emails, and review sharing permissions so the right people have access to the right work. And that's it. That's a complete beginner-friendly overview of how to use ClickUp in 2026, step by step. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the